11. Find the equation of the line having a slope 2 which is tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve means dy by dx will get it slope which is also slope 2 which will be equal to 2, and from there we'll get the value of x. Okay, from there we'll get value of x and then we'll see what happened. So here y is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. If you take derivative of it, you will get minus 1 x minus 3 raised to square at point x and y. Okay, this is equal to the slope 2. So if it is equal to 2, then it will become minus half square. X minus 3 whole square is equal to minus half. But we cannot take root of minus half, which is therefore we can write it as not possible. Hence there is no tangent to the curve having a slope 2. Okay, let's start with the question number 12. Find the equation of the line having a slope 0 which are tangent to the curve of this y is equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. Slope is 0. From this we'll get one slope, then we'll get a 1 point x, and if we substitute the value of x here, we'll get y. So slope is also get and point is there, then we can find the equation. Is it? Now we know. If we need 2 points xy and plus slope m, and slope is already given, and if you take the derivative of this, you will also get a slope which will be equal to this slope, so it will be equal to 0. Equate that and you will get the value of x, and if we substitute in this equation, you will get y. So you will get point x and y and slope, then we can find the equation. Is it? So y is equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3, that is u into v. You can also multiply it and take, if it is easy, you find convenient, or v by u form. Okay, divide it. This is whole square. If it is goes up, take the derivative of 1, that is 0, minus 1 will be kept constant and we'll take the derivative of this. Derivative of this is 2x minus 2. Is it? Whole square. So simplifying this, we'll get this one, this expression. Now dy by dx at point x and y equal to slope is 0, so that is equal to 0. So this denominator entire will become 0. So minus 2x x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. When x is 1, y we can get half. So we got x and y, and also slope we know. So substituting the equation y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, we'll get the equation. So the equation of the line passing through 1 half and having a slope 0 is y is equal to 2 half. Now find the point on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 6 is equal to 1, at which the tangent are parallel to x-axis and y-axis, and also parallel to y-axis. So if we substitute here, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then x square upon 9 is equal to 1. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to plus minus 3. And substitute x is equal to 0, then y square is equal to y square upon 16 is equal to 1. So y square is equal to 16. So y is equal to plus minus 4. So if you plot the graph, is it here? X-axis 3 minus 3, y-axis minus 4 and 4. Is it? So this will be the line parallel to x-axis, and this will be the line will be parallel to y-axis. Okay. So what we actually have to find, we have to find the point. Is it? So first we'll take the derivative, we'll get a slope, and then we'll say parallel to x-axis. What is when a parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Okay, slope of tangent is 0. If the tangent is parallel to x-axis, it is given tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is, that is slope, which is equal to 0. So if we take this x square 9, x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Derivative of this, we'll take it like this. Then dy by dx is minus x upon 5 by into 16 upon 9. So dy by dx is equal to minus 16 upon 9 x upon y. Now first question, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So slope of tangent is 0. So this 0. So entire value becomes 0, means x is also 0. When x is 0, substitute the value in the given equation. You will get y square is equal to 16. So y is equal to plus minus 16. So the required point on the curve for which the tangent are parallel to x-axis are 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. Same way, tangent is parallel to y-axis, means slope of a tangent is equal to infinity. Slope of a tangent is equal to infinity. Okay, if it is infinity, slope of dy by dx is infinity, means 1 upon dy by dx will stand to 0. Okay, you have to do like this. If it is infinity, then 1 upon dy by dx you have to take. So if you take dy by dx, you already taken out dy by dx. If you take 1 upon it, 1 upon this, then it will be inverse and get y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, substitute in the given equation x, you will get plus minus 3. Is it? So the required point on the curve for which the tangent is parallel to y-axis are 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curve at the point, at the indicated point. So first one, it is very easy. Now 2 point x and y is given. You have to take derivative of it. You have to take derivative of it and dy by dx. At this point, substitute the value of dy by dx at this point 0, 5 in that x and y and get slope. Once you get the slope, the point is already given, then we will get equation very easy. Actually this all 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given. You have to take dy by dx. You have to find what is the value of dy by dx at this particular point. That will give you the slope of a tangent. Then point is given, so you can easily find by x, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So let's see. First I'll do it first and 5. We'll do it here. Y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Derivative with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to, we'll get this much. At which point we are checking? First is given as 0, 5. So substitute x is equal to 0. Y is not given at all. So just substitute x is equal to 0. So this all will become, wherever x is there, it will become 0. So x is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 10. So slope of a tangent is minus 10 and the point is 0, 5. So equation of the line, equation of the tangent is y minus y1, that is 5, minus 10x minus 0. So equation of the line becomes 10x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. The slope of normal, we know that is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Slope of normal is minus 1 upon minus 10, so this 1 by 10. So equation of the normal passing through the point 0, 5 having the slope 1 upon 10 is this. Okay, understood. Let's move to the fifth question then. Cot x is equal to x is equal to cot x, cos x, and y is equal to sin t. X is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t at t is equal to pi by 4. Is it? So we have to find the equation of the tangent. So we have to find first slope, means dy by dx. Is it? And then we have to find the value of x and y at pi by 4. So we'll get point and the slope. So dx by dt is equal to minus sin t, dy by dx is equal to cos t. So dy by dx is equal to minus cot t, cos t upon sin t, it is minus cot t. So slope means dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4 is equal to minus cot pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 1, so minus 1. Is it? Now slope of, so the slope of tangent is minus 1. Now x is equal to cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 also, it is pi by 4. It is not pi by 2, it is pi by 4. We are checking at pi by 4. It is 1 by root 2. So the equation of the tangent passing through 1 by root, comma 1 by root, having slope minus 1 is this. Is it clear? Okay, is this x plus y is equal to root 2. Now slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So slope of normal is 1. So equation of the normal passing through 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 having slope m is this. So x is equal to y it becomes.